This is not a copyright, so on Monday no bad. If you hustle pay me now.
It's supposed to be same everywhere.
Marama Oluwa yetu momola. Oh man, they no bad. If you hustle, pay me now. Oh man, they no bad. If you hustle, pay me now. Oh man, they no bad. They pay. Blessings follow. Okay, I'm done dancing. This music is Mola from Editorial's brother-in-law. Yes, so this one is copyright free. Okay guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm not in the kitchen. I want to rest today and I want to share with you all the gari I posted. I want to soak gari this afternoon and enjoy it. Even though it's snowing outside, guys, it's snowing. For the past 3 days, it's snowing, but I'm craving for gari. I'm gonna drink it now because I prepared this gari myself. If you haven't watched the video will pop out here or here, and the homemade granules. If you haven't watched it, go and check it out and see how I prepare this gari in Obodo Oyibo, in abroad. I was able to make gari in abroad. So if you haven't watched it, go and take a look. Woo! So I'm going to add water first to soak my gari. For those of you who doesn't know how to soak gari, so I'm giving you a tutorial now how to soak gari. This is basically tutorial, so watch and learn how to soak gari and enjoy your gari. If you want sugar, you can add, but I don't want sugar. I'm using milk. Okay? How beautiful. So creamy. Okay? This is how to soak gari. And blessings follow. May God bless our hustle. Thank you all. So, come to the opportunity to kele umunne mo nde join our channel, our family channel. Nde join anyị. Awu mo Igbo, awu nwanne unu nwanyị. Biko unu support my ministry. Unu support my ministry, okay? Ihe erimeri nọ na channel a ị ga-like ya. Okay? Nri ụlọ anyị nọ ya. Nri nwa bekee nọ ya. So feel free to join. Thank you. Ka ọ dịrị onye ọbụla na mma. Ihe erimeri anyị. Now I get gari n'obodo Igbo and I'm enjoying it. I'm gari. So thank you all. Ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ndị nọ ihe m kwuru. Me na anụghị ihe m kwuru. I'm saying thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I sincerely appreciate. So let me go and some people are waiting. Always be positive. Bye. Bye from my heart. Okay? Let the garden fat. Bye.